Today, we will talk about how to render product details page in front end. It will be a long video. We will divide into few chapters. First step, let's create a new Redux reducer for single product details page. And the reducer folder. Open products reducer.js file. In this file, we already have created a reducer named product reducer. It's for all products. Product details reducer is almost identical to products reducer. The only difference are initial state value, case names with sum or return values. We can duplicate products reducer code and name it as product details reducer. Then make a few minor changes as following on the screen. Next, open store.js file and the store folder. Import product details reducer function, which is created. Inside the combine reducer function, add a new property named product details equals to product details reducer function. After creating the product details reducer, we need to create the Redux action for getting product details. Open products action.js file and the action folder. We already have a function named getProducts. Let's duplicate this function and name it as getProductDetails, passing an ID variable as parameter. Inside the try block, first dispatch product details request action. Next line, change axis.getURL to \API \v1 \products $, curly braces ID. Make sure to use backtick instead of single quote. Backtick marks can treat $curly braces ID as variable name instead of simple string text. It's easy to pass variable value into string. We have created reducer and action. Next, we will create product details components. Inside the components folder, create a new file named products details.js file. Type sfc and press tab key. Named the function as product details. Inside our return statements, enter one simple HTML line as mockup. We will come back later with template markup. Next step, open app.js file and the root folder. Import product details component on the top. Add a new root. Set a path property value equal to \product \:ID. Insert product details component. Before we test our product details page, there are few bugs we need to fix from last chapters. In product.js file, enter components folder. We need to add HTML link to each product, make them clickable. Add a tag to each product image. Set href property to \products with products ._id. And _id equals to the ID of each product in MongoDB database. Next, open header.js file in the components layout folder. We have an issue with a hero image path. Right now, its relative path. We need to change it to absolute path by adding / before image name. We have finished the setup for product details page. Let's test it in browser window. Click product image, it opens product details page. The URL path contains product ID value. This video we have learned how to create reducer action components and set root for product details page. Next video we will import template markup for product details page.